speciesism, and speciesism, and speciesism, be kind to the animals, and vegan phobia, and vegan phobia, and vegan phobia, be kind to the activists. Dance if you're vegan, hands up if you're vegan. Think you can't do it? Try it, you can. Yeah!
Hello students, welcome to class. Today I am going to the secondhand store to donate some stuff. These are just a few of the things that I'm going to donate. And I want to encourage you also to donate things to whatever secondhand store you have in your neighborhood, a thrift store, whatever you want to call it. Don't throw things out at the end of your driveway. Always try to give them a new life first. Now these are some things that I have that I don't wear that often. This is a pair of jeans here that I realized, I have so many pairs of jeans and I don't really wear them, and they're in such good condition that somebody else could use them. So why should I keep them in my cupboard for ages when somebody else could be benefiting from them? Now the secondhand store that's near me sells these for actually I think $2 or $3. So that's an amazing price. So if you don't have that much money, or if you're just an environmentalist and you want to recycle and reuse things, upcycle or whatever, go to your local secondhand store. You know what else is really cool? You can actually make pillowcases out of these. Let's say you have some that have, I should go and run and get you them. Oh, I'm not going to run back in. But I've had jeans that were ripped sort of just at, below the bum, and I cut the legs off and stuffed them with some old things, and I made these like long pillows out of them. Okay, I'm lying. I didn't do it myself. My mother-in-law sewed them shut. But she stuffed them with an old pillow that had burst open. So you can sort of combine things. And these are great pillows that are... Actually, hold on. I'm gonna run and get it for you. You guys gonna wait? Are you gonna wait? Hold on. I'm gonna be right back. Hold on. Some of you are still here. That's good. All right, so look, this is what I mean. You can take the old legs, see, off of jeans. This is a heavy one, and what it's great for is I can put it on my lap and put it under my armpits, and when I'm typing something on my computer screen. So it's a very kind of heavy one. I think it has like I don't know what it has in it, some old blanket that had like a bunch of holes in it or something. And then other ones are these two, which was another one of my favorite pairs of jeans, but they had ripped. So you see, she put a patch on them here, and they're really light. And they make great pillows. They just really do. You stuff them wherever, under your neck or whatever. So that's one thing you can do with jeans if you have a pair of jeans that rip just like behind the bum and you have the whole leg free. So that's what you can do. So, but I don't want to do that to these particular jeans because these ones are really intact. So I don't feel right about cutting them if they're in perfectly good shape and somebody can use them as is. Do you know what I mean? So after they rip somewhere, then you can make them into the next thing. So the other thing I wanted to show you is, let me see if I can put all these pillows down without them falling. I really, sort of a funny thing happened. This was about, I don't know, a couple of years ago. I was giving away a free dresser because you can either sell things or you can give stuff away. And often I just put it on like a site like Garage Sale or one of these Facebook sites or whatever, marketplace, and you can give away free stuff. So I gave away a free dresser. It was like an old IKEA type dresser that I wasn't using anymore. And the woman who came to pick it up for free said she felt weird kind of taking it for free. So she gave me all these clothes. Now they were in packages. I don't know if she sells them or whatever, but she gave me these kind of dress type things, and they're kind of like one size fits all type thingies. Now it's just, I mean, I could sleep in this or whatever, but and they're perfectly great in a way. It's like that sort of bathing suit material, but I just don't need them. So I'm going to go and give these also to the secondhand store. So I hope I've encouraged you in this video to go to the secondhand store, donate some things that you're not using. Think of it as a kind of a library where you bring things and you leave them there and you come back with other things. Yeah, it's going to cost you a little bit of money, but it's really just a way to not store so much stuff in your house, which is a lesson I really need because I do tend to collect a lot of things that I find on the edge of driveways because I hope they're not going to end up in a landfill somewhere. I'm just going to try to show you something that I found, for example. Okay, like one time I was walking by with my granddaughter at the edge of someone's driveway, and she had a whole bunch of stuff out, and she had like somebody had just left this at the edge of the driveway. So I just grabbed it and gave it to my granddaughter to play with for a while, but now she's not here. So do I need to keep this thing anymore? No, but it shouldn't go in a landfill. So, well, maybe I'll keep it till next time she comes. It's kind of cute, sort of. Yeah, snow person, not snowman. No person. Anyway, so yeah, just that you go there, you donate stuff, and you also buy stuff at your secondhand store. Okay, so if you've done that, if you love thrift stores, if you donate stuff there, let me know in the comments. Type something, type me what you bought there. I got this there, for example. This was like, I think $3, and I don't know, just liked it for something. I have to paint, of course, something vegan on it. Not necessarily, but I like to. So yeah, thanks for being here today. I hope you have a great Saturday. I'll probably see you a little bit later. I'm gonna make another video after this. Yeah, so if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, and you like this video or you hate it, doesn't matter, press hate if you want. I don't care, just engage with it a bit. Write something in the comments. I don't always get to read everything, but I do like to see your comments every once in a while, especially when you guys are actually half decent and you write something that is just normal instead of only hate. I mean, but I'm so used to the hate, I don't even care anymore, but you know, I do appreciate it. And all you moderators, thank you so much. Also to you guys for always moderating this channel, doing a great job. I love when I see your names written as the uniform, the class uniform as I call it, which is the word vegan _ then your first name _ then the city, if you can. We're sort of adding the city, not just the country, but the city or the province or the state to kind of narrow it down. And then your age at the end, so you have underscores in between all of those. It helps us feel like a team. It makes me know who's serious about being a moderator. And of course, there's always some trolls, but that's normal. All right, thanks for being here, and I'll see you later on. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's put our empathy into action. Miss Katie will show us